Hi there, I'm Andrew Wilson from Technical Training Australia and here to give you a bit of an update on the licensed electrical theory for the Victorian A-grade licensing exams. As you may be aware, we have a new wiring rules book and it looks something like this. So you're going to need a new wiring rules book for your theory, and it's very important because it reflects the changes that we have now for our RCD protection and other areas for the LET exam. Also, you'll need to have your cable selection. Make sure you've got the 2017 version. If you've got a 2009 version, you'll need to upgrade to the 2017 version. Now, people ask me, okay, what do I need to know in the LET exam? Well, the two things that electricians are notoriously bad for is visual defects and cable selection. So you need to know your cables, okay? You need to know what you're doing in your cable selection. You will find that in your 3008, you need to have a thorough understanding of your book to do the cable selection. This is critical to the LET exam. Also, your visual defects. You'll see there's an example of visual defects here. That is very critical. We have 15 marks for visual defects, and you will find that you need to get these for being successful in your LET exam. Make sure you have a thorough understanding. It's not a matter of just passing a test. It's about having an understanding and applying your knowledge to the question, the exam question. Some electricians say, well, how long do I need for my LET exam? Well, it depends on your skill level. Here at TTA, we have an essential skills program where no matter what your skill level is, we can build you from the ground up so you have a thorough understanding of each topic in the LET exam. Make sure you call the office, talk to Christine. Gee, do I have my 5 standards? Are they up to date? Are they current? Okay, Christine will help you with the 5 standards that you need for your LET exam. Make sure that you know what you're doing in the LET exam. Sure, it's only $100 to sit the LET exam, but be successful. You don't want to be a multiple attempt candidate. Make sure you pass first time, and we're here to help you at TTA. Start your trainings today, get yourself qualified. We're here to help you at TTA. Thanks for watching.